Here I'm going to show you the pharmacy selection page in the Medicare Plan Finder. Once you reach this page, you can select up to 2 pharmacies that you frequently refill your prescriptions at. It defaults to showing the 10 pharmacies closest to the zip code that you entered in the beginning. As you scroll down, you can pick the pharmacy that you'd like. And when you find it, you click on this little box to add it down here to this blue bar. This blue bar shows the pharmacies that you've currently selected. I can add one more, so I'm going to look through this list and I don't see the one I want. There's a link at the bottom for more pharmacies to take me to the next 10 in my area. And you can select the one that you find, and then it adds it down here to your blue bar. If I decide I don't want this Ultra Care pharmacy, I can exit out and remove it, and then I have an option to select a different one. If you sometimes refill your prescriptions in a different zip code, you can also use this link up here to change location and type in a different zip code. Once you type the zip code in, it pulls the county up right below it, and you select on the county and then hit save. Now you notice that my pharmacies have changed to be in the new zip code, and you can pick the one that you want in that zip code. So now I have 3 pharmacies down here on my blue bar. I select done, and I'm taken to the plan results page.